How are you taking care of your body currently? What is it that is keeping you sane, and how do you approach wellness?
So I am a wellness fiend. I've always been. I've always enjoyed taking wellness breaks, and I like the idea of taking time out and just focusing on how my body is resetting, etc., etc. So you name it, Ayurveda retreats, wellness retreats. I've done them all. But with the body composition changes that came to me within this, the first thing I've ramped up is the way I exercise. I exercise smart. I don't exercise more or I don't exercise heavy. I exercise smart. So
What does that mean?
it means that now my workout, earlier I was doing this and that and Pilates and yoga and calisthenics and everything and functional training and HIIT, everything that I thought doing all of that would make me really fit. But now I focus on strength training thrice a week, which means that I do progressive overload. It doesn't mean that I go and lift like a beast necessarily, because the big objective for me is to maintain my muscle, which is the first thing that drops in perimenopause, because your metabolism changes, right? So you lose muscle. To maintain that muscle, I need to lift weights. I need to feed that muscle to grow with protein. I'm also focusing on strength and mobility. Okay, there's no point just building muscle if you don't have mobility. If you can't reach out for that thing over there and that thing on the floor, and you can't sit up and sit back without holding something for support. So my objective is strength plus mobility. So I look after that. It's my meditation. I go to the gym, and that's my time out. Like some people meditate and do Vipassana and yoga. That's not for me. I'm a gym fiend. I love it. I have my gym bros.
Acha.
Okay. So I do that shit.
I'll ask you a few questions.
Yeah.
Tell me yes or no.
Shoot.
Red light therapy.
I think yes.
Yeah?
I haven't tried it. Been dying to.
Okay. Creatine.
Yes.
Strength training.
100%.
High rocks.
I haven't tried it.
Cold plunges.
Yes.
Cheat meals.
Of course, yes. What's life without cheat meals? Love it. I'm a foodie. I cook. I
We saw,
travel. I
yeah.
live to eat in different places. I'm still very experimental with it. But do I take a huge bowl of something and down it like I would in the past? No. So I mindfully eat what I know is not the best for my body. I taste it. I enjoy it. But I don't fill myself with it.
Like, what are these
So I will do my fiber and I will do my broccoli and my salad before I attack that naan or I attack that butter chicken or
naan
my
is going on.
biryani. Not really. So I'll have a tiny piece of it to satisfy my cravings.
Yeah.
But I won't eat 3 butter naans, which I would have at some point of time in my life. My friends, are they important enough for me to stay up beyond 10:30? Is this the one that I will be sacrificing my sleep for? Man, I've become very choosy. So sundowners are great, lunches are great. If I can, fit in breakfast meetings, great.
Amazing.
Dinners, jaldi khatam karo. So I've become that person who used to say, nahi, hamara sleepy time ho gaya.
Sleepy time ho gaya.
But at the same time, I pack my day with a lot of good stuff. Then,
such
so my
as?
day becomes really important. It's important to have fun. It's important to be naughty. It's important to have your girl gang. It's important to meet your boyfriends. Everyone. So I try and do all of that, but I try and customize everything to fit my new lifestyle.
तो अभी आप क्या खा रहे हो? आप क्या लग के ले जाते हो अपने
देखो,
snacks?
हर meal में I hate people who come to my house and I've cooked up a whole huge storm and a homemade meal, and obviously I'm using good oils and ghee and all of that. I'm not using refined oils and everything, but people who come and say, but I'm not eating this, and that's your problem, dude. Okay, so I don't want to be that person where I have to say, are you vegan and are you this and are you that? That's not my issue. So I assess I can find my meal from any table in any place. I just have to identify मैं पहले क्या खाऊंगी. So first I will take a heap of vegetables or salad if it's clean and I know the source is good, and I will line my stomach with that. Okay, so 40% of what I eat will be salad, which will slow down my digestion. Then I will eat protein. Okay, whatever form of protein I find, whether it's eggs or chicken or fish or whatever, lamb. I will prioritize that.
Okay.
उसके पास कितनी जगह है आपके पास कि आप कुछ फिर उसके बाद जो मन करे खा लो, पर आपके पास इतना सही जगह है पेट में. You then
तो
not.
फिर राइस एंड चपाती
I have rice for lunch.
उसके बाद
Yeah, my carbs come last, but that doesn't mean that I don't cheat. But now, you know what? I don't feel like cheating because I've understood the science of what this cheating will mean. Right? Once you understand that, you can still be fun and you can still be a foodie.
yeah.
But it can't be an exercise that you're logging into your
Yeah.
phone or you're talking about non-stop or you're
Yeah.
behaving like this walking chemistry lab. It's boring.
Yeah, I know these people who are like, oh, फल खा लिया इसके बाद very bad, दही खा लिया अब इसके
You know,
बाद
to
this
each
will
his own.
happen.
There is a system that your body will
Yeah.
find
Yeah.
to keep it stable, as long as you know the basic science of how insulin works and how sugar works and how
Important.
you know crashes work and how muscle develops. These are basic tempos. You can really understand how to play the system. And once you do, stop talking about it. Okay? Then just do your thing. Quietly eat your food the way you want it. And that's that. You know?
But आप अपने खुद के न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हो अभी?
हाँ.
हाँ. इससे पहले was there a nutritionist?
No,
on
I've
board?
never. I've done 1 month with a nutritionist and another month with a nutritionist, and it just didn't work for me. I had to. I understood the principles of nutrition, which isn't too difficult. And because I do a lot of wellness resets and all of that, I've tried everything. IF, this, that, raw, ye, wo,
सब कुछ.
1000 चूहे खाए हैं मैंने. But I found what works. And what works for me is mostly going to work for you because they are very broad, basic principles. You just have to be effective in how you implement. That is the missing link.